Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to AVS class. How are you all? All are fine? Okay. So, in the previous class we learned feelings. Is it children? In the previous class we learned feelings. Is it? So, everyone learning it, feeling how to express with action? Okay, very good. So, you had to do that video record and you had to send me to my WhatsApp number. Okay, feelings. Okay, okay. Today's class will continue the next chapter, anger. So, today's class we are learning about anger and how to manage the anger. We'll see this class. Okay. So, let's begin the class. So, everyone take out your book of illness and page number 5. See, can you see your page number 5? So, this is a page. Okay. See. So, children, see, what can you see in this picture? Page. What do you see? Talk about it. Okay, see, here is the first picture. The boy is angry with her mother. Is it? Yes. So, that boy is angry with her mother. Okay, next picture. What can you see? The boy is angry with his friend. The boy is angry on his friend. Is it? In the classroom. Is it? See his face. Angry face, no? Yes. And here see, angry face? Yes. So, today's class, which chapter we are learning? Anger. Is it? Yes. So, children, angry is very bad thing. You will not get angry with others. Our mistake will be there. So, we have to understand our mistake, not to get angry with others. Okay. So, this is a bad thing to get angry with others. We had to be cool. Okay. So, this is a anger. So, turn the page. Now, we'll read here. How to managing anger. How to managing the anger we'll read in this lesson. What not to do. So, what not to do when we anger, no? What not to do, what are things we not to do, we'll see in this page. See, first picture. Do not shout when we get angry, when we are be anger. So, we not shout others. Okay, do not shout. Do not shout. So, next, do not hurt others. Do not hurt others. So, when we are angry, so we not shout, hurt others. We not hurt others. Okay. So, when we get angry means we will hurt others also. So, this is a bad thing to hurt others when we are angry. Do not hurt others. Next, do not hurt yourself. When we are angry, we not hurt ourselves. When we are angry, we do not hurt ourselves. Okay. So, this is also bad thing to hurt ourselves. Next, do not use unkind words. Unkind words means bad words. So, when sometime you will angry means you will use bad words. These bad words you will use when you are angry. Is it? So, this is also bad thing to unkind words to say for others. Okay. Do not use unkind words, bad words. Okay. Do not throw things when we are angry. We not throw the things. So we'll throw the things, no? We'll throw the bags, books, flower pot, glass, plates, something things will throw. So these things we not throw. Do not throw things. Okay, we not throw the things. So this is a bad thing. Throwing things when we are getting angry. When we are angry, we not throw the things. Okay. So these are the managing anger. What not to do when anger. Okay, once again read. Managing angry. What not to do when angry? Read loudly. Do not shout. Do not shout. Do not hurt others. Do not hurt others. Do not hurt yourself. Do not hurt yourself. Do not use unkind words. Do not use unkind words. Do not throw things. Do not throw things. Okay, once again read. What not to do when anger? Do not shout. Do not shout. Do not hurt others. Do not hurt others. Do not shout yourself. Do not shout yourself. Do not use unkind words. Do not use unkind words. Do not throw things. Do not throw things. Okay. So these we not, when we are angry, we not do these things. Okay. So now next, what to do when anger. So what to do means what to do when we are anger. Follow traffic light rules. Do you know traffic light rules? Red means stop. Yellow means slow down. Green means let it go. Okay. So children, we have to follow the traffic light rules when we are angry. Okay. Be the boss of your anger. Okay, see here. Traffic light rules. Red means stop. When we are angry, we have to be stop. Okay, we have to be stop. Stop means not hurt others, not shouting, hurting ourselves, unkind words and throwing things. We not do these things. Okay, this is a stop. Okay, next, calm down. Calm down. Okay, you have to be cool. When we are angry, you have to be cool. Okay, so second traffic light said, calm down, be cool. First traffic light said, red traffic light, stop. Everything, hurting, shouting, bad words, throwing things. So these all things do stop. Okay. Next traffic light said, yellow color, climb down means cool down. Cool down. Okay. So green traffic light say, let it go. So be cool and leave it. Okay, when you get angry, when you are angry, no, you'll be let it go. Let it go means you'll be leave it. Okay, you have to forget the anger. Okay, you have to forget the anger. Okay, children. So these things we have to do. We have to follow the traffic light rules. Okay, then the be the boss of your anger. You are the boss of your anger. Okay? You are cooling yourself, you are controlling yourself. Is it? So this is a what to do when anger. Okay? Next, see, way to clamp down. Ways to clamp down. See, first one, count till 10. When you are angry, you have to count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, like this you have to count the numbers. Okay, count it 10. When you are angry, no, you have to count till 10 numbers. And next, drink water. When you are angry, you have to drink the water. Cold water you have to drink, not hot water. Okay. When you will drink the cold water, your mind will be cold. Okay. Next, draw a picture. Draw a picture. When you are angry, you have to draw the picture on your book, not in the wall. Okay. Not in on the wall. You have to draw in your book. Okay. Next, think of something fun. So you have to think the fun means jokes you have to remember. Okay. Otherwise jokes, otherwise cartoon you have to see. When you are angry, you have to see cartoons, funny things you have to see. Think of something funny. Okay. So these are the ways to clamp down. Okay. Count till 1 to 10. Drink water. Draw a picture. Think of something fun. Okay. Next rule is let it go. Ways to let go. Okay. Means walk away or talk it out. So let it be. Be cool and be clamp down and think it, leave it. Okay. Let it go. Okay. So you have to, these are the traffic rules. See, here is the traffic rules. No, here is a see. First one is here. See, way to clamp down. Yellow light said way to clamp down. Is it? And green light said way to let it go. Is it? Yes. So next is take turns to talk about anger. See here, for example, I feel angry. Share how you feel. How you feel here, you have to draw it. Picture. Okay. And see next, when. Share what makes your anger. Share what makes you anger. So you have to talk about it. Okay. You have to talk about it yourself. So when you are angry, how you will feel? You will get angry with others, no? You will throw the things. You will shout others. Is it? Yes. So next, when. Share what makes your anger. Share what makes your anger. Is it? You will throw the things, things, you will throw it. Okay. So this will see here. Please do not. Share what not to do to make your anger. So we not hurt ourselves. Okay. Not for others also will not hurt. Okay. So here, please don't do. Please don't not do here. Okay. So these are the, here we are learning it. Okay. So children, so today's class we learnt anger and managing angers. Is it? So children, so this all you had to read and learn it. And homework is, so when this is a homework, okay, so this is a homework. Managing anger, take turn to talk about anger. So you have to talk about the anger, okay. For example also I said what we had to do, what not do. So you had to be practice, and you have to send me to my WhatsApp number homework, okay. Okay, good. Thank you children. Bye bye.